It's the e.l.f. Halo Glow Foundation. So you can use this just as a highlighter, you can use it on top of your existing makeup, or you can just use it as a light makeup, which is what I'm going to show you. And it comes in lots of shades. This one is light medium. It looks dark in the jar, but it's actually for my skin tone. You can see I have this reddish skin tone, so I'm gonna show you the before and after. And this is great value for your money. This is 1 ounce, and then you're going to apply with a sponge. So I've seen people use this and not use a beauty blender, but I like to use a beauty blender. So this lasts a long time. So let's start blending. Okay, I've dampened my beauty blender. Okay, you can already see a difference. I'm gonna add a little bit more because my skin is very red today. So it gives it a really nice natural glow. You can't actually see the makeup, which is always important. And then I like to follow up with this. This is also from e.l.f. and this is their finishing, their setting powder. So you can see the after, it definitely rubbed in really nicely and just kind of gives me a really nice glow.